Mamaya, alas 6 ng Pilipinas time, no? Ate Olive, meron ka bang support account? Kahit isa man lang? Kasi hindi ka pwede gumala, ang main channel mo, hindi ka pwede gumala kung kinakargahan ka ng beres, no? Until ma-receive mo lahat. Si The Great Action Star. I'm 19. Oh, uy, Ginoo man. Hoy. Senior. 19 daw siya. 19 years old.
Basta DJ Boom Boom, the best.
Pabalo ka. Shout out, pabalo ka. Shout out, Senior Articulo Ono, are you there?
Iloilo Beats Club.
Paring Willie, marami ba akong bayabas dito? Pwede tulungan mo ako? Ikaw yung humawak. Oh, hawakan ba yan? Paano? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Sa nakapin tayo, sa nakapin. Baba kayo ng bahay, guys. Ilapag nyo ditong mansyon. Huh? O, kunikan mo yan. Dikitan mo yan. Ate Olive. Yes daw. Andyan pala siya eh. Tagal mo tagal mo sumulpot dyan. Gorgor Rio lang yan, host. Ganun ba? Wala akong karanasan yan. Ikaw may karanasan. Ikaw, senior, mayroon ka na bang karanasan yan? Tanungin natin to. Guys, pwede kayong lumapag dito, guys. Drop your link. So, your host, Moonlight Mix Vlog, can watch your video. And I'll give you golden likes in your house. Atay ka pare. Nag-ikot si Lolo. Babayan, may si Lolo. Saan siya? Girahin natin. Ayan. Matamaan siya dyan. Ayan. Are you serious of your channel? Are you serious of your channel, Great Action? Great Action! Where are you? Are you there?
Iloilo Beats Club.
Academy, thank you, Academy. Still you there? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend.